kero kio taragenda nta etoto tebi kaimwerete e party leader ino ya Linda Ground tinda morabia igo na endonye karwarete mogo soka goteba mwatebo mugaka na arwarete elinde twamanya gentu giacheire giakiabeira ange goikera Simba tali boigo asante naende twamusabira Simba Arati, Deputy Governor, my good friend Bebo, our Senator, the Speaker, wonderful MCAs, of course led by the majority leader, na kibwa kirevya. Asante sana sogo chago tutariraga. Actually nincho always ngotanga naga naende naru obwomo elio. So lero nachere kidogo because we were working on the final budget with the service providers and we are our senior Okoroku Jimmy. So thank you so much for coming to condole with us, and we truly appreciate Governor that you mobilize the entire assembly to come and condole with the family of Mama Teresia. In Chena Richard, we come from the same place. We are neighbors at home. Mongina Teresia, Nero Tokinia. She is such a extreme Catholic. No chaba Islam balibago chaba wegento bachikuruta. Na bomongino you arenge in Catholic Church. She was very, very deep in the Catholic Church. She was a leader of the Women Guild, and she was the founder member of one of the biggest jumuiyas in that community. So she is very well respected. Senator yoito buno maete ne dynasty ere na Raila na Uhuru pakosero na bantu chi dynasty abaiboli babo have been in leadership before. Mheshimiwa the late Zachary was the youngest minister at 27. He served Kitutu for 27 years. Richard has served Kitutu for 15 years and the county for 5 years. I know it is going on. So tuko na marafiki wengi from across the board. We are looking at hosting a minimum of 10,000 people from across the county and across the country. And you know, they have a huge family. Most of them have come from the US, some have come from the UK and the rest of the world. So we have a lot of guests coming, particularly on Friday the 15th. So we are seeking a lot of support. We were looking at the tent only. The tent and sound and lighting alone, it was coming to about 2.7 million shillings. So it is a huge lift for this family. So we are genuinely seeking a lot of support. Again, Tokende, in terms of the program, we have a major fundraising on Tuesday the 12th. Tuesday the 12th, we have a major fundraising. Egochakobaga, All Saints Cathedral, Igari along opposite Serena. The function starts at 5 p.m. It will end at 8 p.m. Let us be early because Asariago Sieko at exactly 8 p.m. We also have Mass on Wednesday at Don Bosco Catholic Church, Eregari Upper Hill. We'll get the timing because the father was to give us the exact time. There are a number of masses that will be conducted that day. So we'll have the Mass. After the Mass, after the Mass, etokogenda Mambiae on 13th, on 14th. We'll leave Nairobi at 7 in the morning, go straight to Nyabururu. At Nyabururu is where we'll have another Mass, and we'll have all of us speaking on that day. Abanyakenyoro, abairi, abasani, abanasiasa, chia aspiranti chikwa gukorboge tutu south chia 2032 no chikale litukeri na lichigo kwana. Bonsi. On that day they'll speak. And then on 15th we will have the family and dignitaries. The family and dignitaries will now have the day a year 15th because of time. We hope to be done with the program by 3 p.m. As you're aware, Your Excellency, the team, UDA, Tinta Etikonyeroka Broadbase, Yaringe UDA, Novarenga the other day, including the CS. And they spoke very well, just like you've spoken. We don't want embarrassments. in Kisii. We are not, nobody is planning for anyone. We are coming to condole with this family. So let us conduct ourselves with extreme decorum. Elinde tokoreri tukeri na masikani. And like Governor said, we are coming to celebrate. We are celebrating Mama, and hence there'll be a lot of food there. And that is one of the other budget items that we'll be looking at. So it is a celebration of a life well lived. Abantu barengereti gocha gukora bututukanugaria will be able to handle that, but we hope we don't get there. The other thing is that in terms of political networks that will be visiting him, unajua he wears so many coats. Today it is ODM that has come to Madam Gladys was here. He belongs to the United Opposition. He's been walking around with Kina Gachagua and Kina Kalonzo and Matiang'i. He belongs to Linda Mwananchi, and he belongs to our community. So we have all these networks coming. Hakuna kuja kuonesha ubabe pale. Kila mtu anakuja kutoa rambirambi zake na kusema maneno yake mawili matatu, amalize aende. Hatutaki kelele kule nyumbani. Eiteri boronge na nje mwangakira chinko. On the other hand, ntobuate a cost yoko maintain this homestead in terms of the numbers that come. But sisi tunataka kukua wenye kukata hiyo keki. Sasa hatutakuwa tu kwa meza, sisi tutakuwa tumekaa hii side ya boss. Sisi ndio tutatoa president. Anaitwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na mimi ninajua uko na nguvu sana. Nguvu ya kisiasa, not just in Kisii but beyond. Mimi naona tuungane, tuwe kitu kimoja. Tubage nteke mu buno bukima bwo boli borugire bogaika. Tubege nteke mu buno mu Busii, tutaramo, tubwate sinduwe yaito. Asa kogenda, tugende guchio. Elinde bargaining power yaito ebe igora. Singen choboni ge igore broad base na bondo chino ore broad base. Lakini ibintu kerogo pima. Ibitoko ewa na matoronge in comparison to, let's say, Homa Bay County. In comparison with what bogere konyora. Lakini tobe tuensi amo na bokonyora to kubutore rwe slice borongeiga gose toiro mogati enusu iende to abakenya babagane. Taliboyo. Asenge ncho echinsa nche nkoira nerimbi yamono for what you have done. This is a major show of solidarity. I know you do not agree with our senator politically, but owo chakua oga na mobilize the entire team. It is a wonderful, wonderful sign. And we continue working together in this journey. Ncheno Mosanio, most people don't know. In 2022, Governor Simba Arati, Senator Onyonka, Matiang'i, wote walikuwa na support a different candidate. Not the ODM candidate, Antony Kibagendi. Lakini, vile nilichaguliwa, I was the first person kuenda kwa Simba Arati. Na tukaanza kufanya kazi pamoja. Na mimi nimekuwa mtu wa Simba Arati through and through. Hata saa hii tuko pamoja. Ndio imepunguza maneno, kuongea imepunguka kidogo, lakini leo najua tutaongea hapa kidogo nione vile. Sababu sincerely we are omwakora nyoro mbwete no yo mugusibire. Na ende no maite kerengere na bwate 2032 governor. Wono ga kitonsaririe kerengere riekyo. Kerengere riekyo bado ninkebwate. So let us continue walking this journey together. We truly appreciate your coming here, and Deputy Governor na gotomane amakwaniane uchi ase governor ndoche toigetia sengencho tara teba diritu akore nyangi. So na motoma kamotevi aiki salamu, tuendelee kutembea pamoja na Mwenyezi Mungu atatufungulia. Na vile umesema jamii ikikuwa pamoja, we have a stronger voice. We definitely have a stronger voice. Gendo kerokio utaraga ndanta etoto tevi kaimwerete a party leader ino ya Linda Ground tinda morabia igo. Na endonye karuarete mogo soka goteba mwateba mugaka na ruarete. Elinde tuamanya gento gya kiaberange goikera Simba. Taliboigo. Asante na ende tuamusabira. Tigankolere gabo mbiyamono for the opportunity, and now let me welcome my brother Senator Richard Onyonka.
Oh my God.